If your car doesn't come equipped with rear video, it's worth thinking about the best backup camera. There are many products available to choose backup cameras, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best backup cameras from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Autovox CS2 Wireless Backup Camera. We rate the Autovox CS2 as the overall best backup camera for its competitive price, relatively simple features, and easy installation. This backup camera kit comes with a 4.3 inches monitor display, and its wireless connection removes the labor of hiding wires underneath your car's trim. Monitor installation is relatively painless with the Autovox CS2, which provides a suction cup so you can attach the camera to your dashboard or your windshield. You can put the camera itself on your license plate, but this may require drilling an additional hole in your trunk to connect the power cable. If you're searching for a simple wireless backup camera with quick installation, the Autovox is a solid pick. It's a no-frills choice but successfully performs the basics of a backup camera system. Number 2. Amtifo RV Backup Camera. The Amtifo A8 FHD may be your best backup camera option if you're driving an RV, camper, or towing a trailer and want all angles covered. This camera works reliably on vehicles up to 80.0 feet long, features a wireless range of up to 984.0 feet, and has the capacity to support 4 video feeds. A 7.0 inches display screen rounds out the package. Unlike smaller monitors, this device has front-facing buttons for easy access, and split-screen capabilities so you can see feeds from multiple cameras at once. If you want to mount multiple cameras on your vehicle, you can purchase them separately. If you haul trailers, drive an RV, or own a heavy-duty truck, the Amtifo is a good backup camera choice. The camera mounting bracket is rock solid, and the video quality is spectacular, something you want from a system that can support up to 4 cameras. Number 3. HDE Rapid RT1 Backup Camera. If your vehicle already has an LCD display, the Rapid RT1 car rearview camera may be the best license plate backup camera for you. Instead of a full system with a monitor, you only get the camera to connect to your in-vehicle display. It comes at an affordable price and allows for relatively simple license plate mounting. This bare-bones option is not without other perks. The camera is waterproof, features a 149-degree field of view, and comes with 25.0 feet of cable, which is likely long enough to cover everything from sedans to trucks to even some RVs. If installed correctly, the wired connection should provide a clear, stable picture of your car's surroundings in real time. At this lower price point, you lose the level of customization that some higher-tier backup camera systems offer. The only way to adjust the parking lines on the ERT1 is to physically tilt the camera up or down, and you must cut a wire if you want to turn them off completely. Having a wired backup camera also means you may have to hide cabling along your vehicle's trim. Number 4. DUHonest Wireless Backup Camera. Designed to work at night and featuring a 6-layer glass camera lens, the DUHonest V25 digital wireless backup camera has you covered if you're looking for a solid low-light performer. The range on the unit is 36.0 feet while a vehicle is in reverse, and the range is 30.0 feet during continuous use. You can also choose from multiple parking guidelines to find the one that best suits your car. Plus, the camera is waterproof and resistant to high temperatures to work in extreme heat or cold. The DUHonest V25 has great all-around performance and is a smart option if you want to mount an extra wireless camera on your car. It can also be a decent buy if you're on a budget and want a wireless backup camera. Number 5. LeakHulu Backup Camera. This is a waterproof backup camera with a 2-year warranty. The settings are highly adjustable, with useful features such as the ability to change the parking lines. LED lights help provide nighttime vision. Customers say the LeakHulu offers crystal clear images and a wide field of view. Most are able to install and use this backup camera with no issues. For the cost, most would be happy if this camera only lasted a year, but several report getting multiple years of reliable use from this camera. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.